and welcome to my channel. As you get ready for your Japan trip, it's time to tackle your packing list. Luckily, preparing for Japan is simpler than you might think. But before you leave, here are some essential packing tips to remember. While some might seem obvious, others could catch even experienced travelers by surprise. So let's get started. When packing to Japan, choose shoes that you can easily slip on and off to save yourself from constantly tying and untying your shoelaces. Keep in mind that places like traditional inns, temples, and some restaurants will ask you to take off your shoes. If you see a tatami mat, it's a clear sign. To stay polite, wear socks if you are being barefoot. Don't forget comfy walking shoes, especially for walking around Tokyo streets or exploring the sights of Kyoto. Packing light is key. Walking with small, easy portable bag or suitcase is highly recommended. Japanese railway networks are convenient but aren't ideal for travelers with bulky luggage. Generally, anything more than a small rolling suitcase and a backpack is considered too much. Train stations can be crowded with limited elevators or escalators. Even though you can reserve space for luggage on a bullet train, other trains may not have space for storage. It's best to stick to a small rolling suitcase or a backpack. But if you prefer to travel with more, try Japan's luggage service. It's called Takuhaibin, a luggage forwarding service that is a game changer for travelers who prefer to pack heavy. It allows you to send your suitcase from one hotel to another or even to the airport. While same day forwarding is possible, most deliveries take 1 or 2 nights. Consider spending a night or two without your main luggage with just a small overnight backpack. Traveling light can be especially easy when traveling to remote areas. For instance, if you're heading to a countryside ryokan, you'll likely spend most of your time in a comfy yukata or relaxing in an onsen, so you won't need much anyway. If you're traveling with a friend or family, sharing delivery service is a smart move. Keep one shared suitcase and send the rest in between hotels. Using Takuhaibin is simple. Just inform the front desk at your hotel a day in advance, and they'll handle the arrangements for you. Prices vary based on factors like luggage size and destination, typically ranging from $15 to $30 per suitcase. For budget hotels or private homes, you'll need to arrange the service yourself, either at a convenience store or throughout specialized websites like Yamato Transport. You don't need to go out and buy a new wardrobe for your trip to Japan. In fact, I recommend the opposite. If anything, leave space in your luggage so you can go shopping in Japan, where you can find some of the most unique and best quality fashion items in the world. If you've never been to Japan, and imagine everyone dressed in kimonos or colorful Harajuku fashion, it's not quite like that. Sure, you'll spot some people in traditional clothes in places like Kyoto, and trendy outfits in Harajuku, but they're not so usual. Japanese fashion varies a lot, from modern styles to traditional wear, but everyday clothing is more casual than you may think. In reality, you much more like to see people dressed like this. Quite simple, relaxed fit, but with their own unique styles. When it comes to attire in Japan, it's essential to know that no matter what you wear, you're likely to stand out among the locals. But if you aim to blend in, go for neutral colors. It's common to see people dressed in shades of black, white, navy, beige, and gray. You will see a lot of Japanese women that are covered up a lot. The general rule is that the top half of their bodies are covered, so no tank tops or V-cuts or naked shoulders, but you can have quite short skirts. And that could be quite strange. Why, you may ask? But it's like that from the times they wore school uniforms, where they do wear short skirts, so it's normal in Japan. The clothes they don't wear are tight clothes, like leggings. They consider that skin tight clothing is too revealing and is considered to be like underwear and can be worn only at home. You won't see locals wearing leggings at all. But if you still want to wear leggings and don't stand out, wear a skirt on top or a longer shirt. Basically, because you're not a local, you can wear anything you like. No one will make a comment. Some may even admire your style, but unfortunately, some may approach you a little bit differently because you're not like others and are dressed too revealing. Here are some must have extras to include in your Japan packing list. First, it's pocket Wi Fi, and renting one is highly recommended for easy internet access, especially since Wi Fi coverage in Japan can be quite limited. A small towel and hand sanitizer is also really useful because there is no paper towels in Japan's public restrooms. Travel adapter, so you can plug your devices in Japan's outlets. A power bank, consider bringing one for charging your devices while on the move. And a camera for capturing all your Japanese adventures. Think it's maybe sometimes better to bring an extra camera and not just taking pictures with your phone. Bring a small bag for storing items bought in convenience store because sometimes they ask you, do you want a bag? If you already have a bag with you, you can just give it to them. It will be much easier for you. Yes, and this is super important. Leave some space for shopping. Japan offers so many shopping opportunities. Even if you don't like shop, it will be really hard for you not to buy something in Japan. So leave some extra room in your luggage for some spontaneous purchases or just some gifts you're gonna buy for your friends and family. And here's some simple packing lists for a 7-day Japan trip. If you want, you can make a screenshot of this or just add something you would like to take as well. The things I didn't cover in this video are that toothbrushes are usually available in most of hotels, as well as like hair combs and some small towels. Japanese yen is also a really good thing to take with you, and a pen, custom forms when you're entering Japan. Bring a small gift from home. It's not really customary to tip in Japan, so it will be a really nice touch to give a small little gift for people you might meet on the way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it will help you to pack for your next trip to Japan. If you want to check my other videos, please click on them and watch them. I have many interesting videos about Japan and many informative videos that you may find interesting. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Mata ne!